apply a transition to all of the slides in your PowerPoint presentation at once. So hey guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can easily apply a single presentation to all of the pages or slides in your presentation. So in order to do this, the first thing that you will need to do is create a PowerPoint presentation. So as here you can see, we have successfully created this sample presentation right here, and then now we will be applying transitions into all of these slides. So let me show you how to do this. So the first thing that you will need to do is click onto this transitions tab in your MS PowerPoint, and then once you are inside the transitions tab, you can choose any transition that best suits you. So you can add any transition like morph, fade, push, wipe, split, etc. If you want to access more of these transitions, click onto this drop down arrow and it will give you more of these transitions. So for example, let's say I want to go with this wipe transition. So simply click onto this wipe option, and then you have this option of apply to all. So simply click onto this apply to all button, and then this transition will be applied to each and every slide within this particular presentation. If you want to show it or confirm it, then what you can do is simply click onto this slideshow button and click onto this from beginning option to start a slideshow, or alternatively you may also choose to press the F5 shortcut key. So once you will do this, you can see that the transition was performed, and if I will switch the slides, you can see that the transition is being successfully performed each and every time I switch the slide. So that's how easily you can apply transitions at once to all of the slides in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.